How to fix and solve YouTube Shorts glitch. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a problem with your YouTube Short. So now let's get started. Please watch and follow along until the end. So first of all, you have to open the settings on your phone. Then scroll all the way down and go to Apps. From here, you can scroll down and search for YouTube application, or you can also use the search bar at the top. Type in YouTube, and once you find the application, scroll down and go to Storage, and then click on Clear Cache, and also click on Clear Data. But remember that clearing the data will also delete all the file settings, accounts, and databases, so you have to be very careful regarding that. Now, come back. Try for stopping this application as well and re-enable it again. Next, go to the battery section that is between the mobile, data, and storage option. Tap on it and then enable the battery optimization for YouTube. After that, navigate to the permissions section in the top and then grant permission for all the necessary options. Finally, open the Play Store on your mobile device to check if your YouTube application is up to date. And if it's not, you will see an update button instead of open over here. Simply tap on it to update it to its latest version. Once you have done all this, restart your phone. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.